The Nanoliter2010 microinjection system provides you with the capability of injecting liquids in discrete aliquots ranging from 2.3 to 69 nanoliters. The nanoliter injector utilizes a stainless steel plunger to create a mechanical displacement of fluid within a micropipette, pushing the contents out through the pipette tip. After a period of time or heavy use, you may observe some leakage around the seals. To correct this, replace the O-rings. Replacement O-rings are included with your Nanoliter2010. Additional O-rings may also be ordered. The correct orientation of the O-rings is critical, or you could experience some leakage. 3 pieces must be properly oriented on the plunger: a black plunger sealing O-ring with a small hole, a white plastic sleeve called a spacer, and a conical-shaped O-ring with a large hole. Use gloves or tweezers when handling the gaskets and glass. Loosen the collet and remove the 3 gasket pieces. Here is the proper configuration of the O-rings and the white spacer. It is absolutely essential that these components be properly configured. The black sealing O-ring has a conical hole through the center of it, so that on one side is a small hole and on the other side is a larger hole. The large hole must be positioned so that it faces towards the injector. Install the black gasket first, then slide on the white plastic spacer. The white spacer has one flat side and one side with a recess machined around the hole. The recess receives the back end of the pipette and protects the plunger sealing O-ring from damage. The red O-ring is cone-shaped, and the conical surface fits inside the collet like this. The cone tip of the conical O-ring points toward the glass tip. This seal must have tension, or it could leak. Replace the collet, but do not tighten it. Push the micropipette onto the wire plunger. As you push the tip on, feel it go through the large O-ring and seat in the white spacer. The glass end must be firmly seated in the plastic spacer, or it could leak. Once positioned, tighten the collet securely. Now you're ready to perform microinjections.